Welcome back to a brand new video, guys. Today I'm in my bathroom, but we're gonna go check the little candy vending machines. Honestly, I haven't checked them in 2 months. I've been caught up with other stuff. I've been doing so much lately that I just forgot about them. Tomorrow I leave on the trip, so I'm gonna go get them and bring them back home because honestly, I don't think that location's too good. So I'm gonna just take them and I don't know, I might sell them or I don't know, who knows how I feel when I come back from my trip. But before anything else, guys, I did start a new channel where I'm doing like my work videos. So if y'all wanna see that type of stuff, I'm gonna leave the link in the description and then y'all can check that out. So but anyways, guys, let's get into it. So I'm here at the place. Let's go. Hello, I'm here for the machine. I'm here for the machine.
The machine?
Yeah. Alright, so I went into the store and the candy looked like it had a way less than when I left it. I think it's been like 2 months, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna check how much there is in there. I was pretty surprised because I didn't expect that. I thought it was still gonna be full, but I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, this is, look, they're empty. This is my dog right there. But anyways, so I'm about to show y'all how much money I made this time. I'm thinking maybe like $2. I don't know, it could be wrong, it could be 50 cents. Oh, they broke out. So this one, 50 cents. Here's another 2 quarters, $1. $1.25. The quarter that fell down here. $1.50. Usually, sometimes the quarters like to get stuck up here too, so you gotta check that out. And down here, the quarter that fell probably like, let me see, $1, 2. So I have a total of 3. Well, actually, I'm gonna count it up and I'm gonna get back to y'all once I find out the exact amount because I don't know. Alright, y'all, so I made $6. I'm really surprised because I've never made this much off my little vending machine. But I'm gonna fill up a different one, the one that y'all might have saw spray painted blue, and I'm gonna take it back. So thank y'all for watching. If y'all were interested, make sure to like, comment, and if you're new, make sure to subscribe because tomorrow I'm gonna be dropping new videos and all month long. So make sure y'all stay tuned.